Good morning everyone at home. Once again, back with teacher Esther, and we are here today once again to have another lesson about sounds. Yeah, the sound, last time we looked at sound, and I hope you did the work very nice. Was it good? I saw it. The work was very fantastic for shading sound and tracing sound. I hope you did it. Do you remember sound? Yeah. Let me show you sound to make you remember. Sound 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 ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Sound. Do you remember sound? And how do we write sound? I told you, one round like a ball and a standing stick. Sound. 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 How would you write the sound? One round like a ball and a standing stick. Sound. Sound. Very good. I know you know it now. So now today we are going to look at the friends of sound. Friends of sound. Friends of sound. But before that, let's first sing as a rhyme for ourselves. We are going to sing together. Do you know how to sing? I know you love singing. I am a girl, I am a girl, I am a girl, tun tun tun. I know little English, little English, little English, tun tun tun. Oh, I am a boy, I am a boy, I am a boy, tun tun tun. I know little English, little English, little English, tun tun tun. Again the girls. I am a girl, I am a girl, I am a girl, tun tun tun. I know little English, little English, little English, tun tun tun. For the boys. I am a boy, I am a boy, I am a boy, tun tun tun. I know little English, little English, little English, tun tun tun. I know you've liked it. Are you a girl or a boy? Well, if you're a girl, you say, I am a girl, with a soft voice. If you are a boy, you say, I am a boy. I am a boy. Okay. Boys and girls at home, I know you're my friends. Now, we are back to sound. 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 Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Sound. 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 Repeat after me. Which sound is this? Sound. 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 Now, today, we are going to look at the friends of sound. Friends of sound. Me, I'm very excited. I want to know the friends of sound. And you? Are you excited to know the friends of sound? Yeah, and I brought them. I'm going to show you the friends of sound. Yes, sound. 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 Okay, I'm going to first show you the friends of sound. There are very many, but I'm going to show you only 3 friends of sound. 3 friends of sound. Do you have a friend at home? Yeah, I hope you have a friend. And me, do you know my friend? I told you to tell you my friend, you have to first buy for me an ice cream. Are you going to give it to me? When you bring it, then I have to tell you a friend. I'll have to tell you a friend. Okay, now back to the friends of sound. Ants on my arms. ants on my arms. Yes, we are going to look at the friends of sound. 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 And we have the first friend of sound, apple. The friends of sound are apple. The friend of sound are apple. Everybody say apple. 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 Everybody say apple. Apple. This is a friend. Apple is a friend of sound. Are you getting me? Are you attentive? Yes, apple is a friend of sound. 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 We are going to also to see another friend of sound. Another friend of sound. Are you excited to see a friend of sound? Another friend of sound. Do you know the friend of sound? We also have do like this. Is a friend of sound. Is a friend of sound. Yes. And another one we are going to look at. So a friend of sound. I brought for you another friend, but don't get scared. I'm going to show you another friend of sound. Axe. Don't get scared. I'm not going to hit you. Yeah, a friend of sound. Axe. Axe. This is my axe. Are you saying it? Axe. 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 Do you have an axe at home? This is mine. It is not yours, but I'm not going to hit you. Yeah, this is a friend of sound. Friend of sound. A friend of sound. And now we also have another friend of sound. We also have another friend of sound. Ant. 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 Yeah, ant sound has many friends, but now we have looked at only four friends. The first one was apple. 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 And another one axe. 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 And another friend for sound we say and another friend we looked at ant. Ant. Okay, I think now you know sound and make me to remember how do you write sound one round like a ball and a standing stick. Sound. Sound. Okay, I know you've got the sounds today. I think you have got sound. Okay, let us sing again. I am a girl, I am a girl, I am a girl, tun tun tun. I know little English, little English, little English, tun tun tun. Boys, I am a boy, I am a boy, I am a boy, tun tun tun. I know little English, little English, little English, tun tun tun. Yes, for today we had sound. I think you know that little English. Sound, sound, and the friends of sound are axe, axe. Another one, ant, ant. Another one, and the last one, but not least, apple, apple. And with that sound, what you're going to do, you're going to tell mommy to draw for you an in your book, an axe in your book, ant in your book, apple in your book. Yes, at least you shared 2 of the friends of sound. Friends of sound. That is your homework. You're going to share an axe and shade an apple. That is your work you're going to do. You tell mommy to draw for you an axe like this one in your book, an apple, and Annie, apple in your book. You shade them. I'm going to see that work. I want you to be a good girl, a good boy. You do that work. I'm going to see it and I'll mark it. Have you heard? Yes, I know you're good children at home. You're going to do that work. And after doing the work, what you're going to do, you tell mommy to comment with your work, and don't forget to tell her to subscribe on our YouTube channel and to press our notification bell. Okay, I think that's all we had for you with sound. Sound, sound, ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Stand up and I will do it. Me, I'm not going to stand, but you stand up. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arm. That is sound. 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 Apple. Axe. Ant. That's all we had for you for sound. We have seen the friends of sound. Friends of sound. Okay, that's all we had for you today. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Whenever you touch everywhere. Stay clean. Bye-bye. See you next time. I love you.